And this is what happens when you don't wear your seatbelt.
All right, guys, you ready to go? Yeah. All right, cool. Let's do it. Yeah. Yeah. We're driving. Hey, guys, why aren't you wearing your seatbelts?
Seatbelts are for chumps. I don't normally wear my seatbelt, so it's okay. We're in the back seat.
It's all right. That's cool.
That's all right.
Awesome.
Yeah. We're invincible.
So how was the ride, everyone?
It was okay.
Yeah.
It hurt.
In reality, seatbelts do save lives. That's the reason they're in all automobiles. So do everybody a favor. Next time you drive, buckle up.
You guys ready to go to that super awesome thing?
Yeah!
Awesome, let's go. Safety first, everyone. Is everybody's seatbelts on?
Now we're ready.
Awesome, let's go.